What the hell?
What is it?
Gil, I want you to look inside this ice cube and tell me what you say.
Is it? I think I have a magnifying glass somewhere. Are those spukes on its side?
What?
I wonder if there's more of these things in the freezer. Oh my god.
There's a lost civilization in our refrigerator.
This makes no sense.
You think?
Yeah, that's clearly an early medieval city.
Yeah.
I mean, come on, everyone knows that woolly mammoths died out sometime in the late Neolithic period.
Yeah, everyone knows that.
Well, it'll make good fertilizer.